Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. You know, my name is Raleigh and I have this fish tubing channel, and my channel deals with fish keeping. I live in Jamaica. Now, if I wanted fame and fortune, I would have actually gone into doing videos on dancehall, reggae music, fashion, all them things there, so as to get my local people to be a part of my channel. I have been doing fish tubing for about 2 years, and the first thing when I tell my students or my friends in which I meet out the road, say, hey, I have a YouTube channel and want to check it out. The first thing when them ask me, what the channel about? I'm telling them about fish keeping and fish care. You know what them say? They're not really interested in that. They want to know about the latest in entertainment, fashion, and what going out there. So, you know, people just love sauce and you know, which artist say what, which artist wear what, but dance and all them something there. Boom. So as a result of that, not much of my local people really in a fish keeping. So you find say of the 1,715 persons who is subscribed to my channel right now, roughly about 34% of them come from Jamaica. The reason why 34% of them actually subscribe to my channel is because of the influence in which I am giving to my fellow peeps in Jamaica with regards to fish keeping. Fish keeping is like a novice hobby, a new hobby within Jamaican sphere of hobbies. The usual thing for Jamaica is to play football, right? Right now I have on my my gears, my jersey top for my school because I'm on the teachers league, right? So yeah, up here wing, I call over the side there, right next to the forward, right? So if I wanted to, I could have even follow football, right? Give some little heads up as to what the EPL are going with, what the South American team them are going with, the Africans Cup are going with, what the soccer league in America are going with. And trust me, when I get more subscribers than what I have right now. 1,715 is nothing compared to my fellow friends who are on YouTube also. Them do hair, them do fashion, them do food, them do things with dance, and you know, catch me you do that because you what? I'm on them something there. And I think I did a video on that when I talk about YouTube content, right? I'm on believing in the whole idea of certain things must not be shown in public. So I'm not really believing in the whole skimpy dress. A lot of persons in Jamaica are of that, so they will do that. I am not really fancy with regards to that. With regards to my channel, it's not necessary to earn money, you know. It's necessary to just for me, it's a personal trial and error thing where in which I am trying to get my fellow people in Jamaica to be, you know, into the hobby business. So don't get it twisted and feel as if say me I do this for earn the money. And I start my thing, I love to talk. So therefore I refer to myself as a social scientist. Right? When I was in a university, I did I'm matter of fact, forget about the university thing, because it's not only forget about the university, forget about the school. You understand? But the thing of the matter is that if I was aiming at getting rich, right, off this YouTube thing, I wouldn't do fish keeping, because not people don't do fish keeping in Jamaica. Practically the same fish where you get one pet store, the same you can get at the other one. Don't do marine aquariums, I mean you don't have saltwater fish available in Jamaica, right? You have freshwater fish, and these are mostly bred in Jamaica locally. The one that come from foreign, I call it overseas, imported, them one they more expensive, so people now go really spend money upon that. For example, I saw where a pet shop brought in some loaches and some other, you know, exotic fish the other day, and for one loach it was in Jamaican dollars, it was like nearly $3,000. No, $3,000 can put gas in my car for one entire week. You understand? So when you check the levels, enough people now gonna do that. Because them gonna prefer for, you know, go buy some food, and them can buy a ticket for $5 and go on and dance and enjoy themselves. So them now will spend so much money on fish. And at the end of the day, they will buy 2 beers, sit up on the corner, play some domino, and you know, have a little vibes with them friend. Next morning, they belch it off, go work, and everything good again. Right? That is it in Jamaica. They don't do really fish keeping like, oh, let's say you have a fish room and all that. I don't have a problem with a fish room. I wish I would have a fish room, yeah? But because of the circumstances of how Jamaica set with regards to the energy bill and the whole, you know, real estate costing, it wouldn't be cost effective for me to have a fish room. Here comes a Babs. You put out some, I have a big yard space, so I come to Babs. And I put out some ponds, and I put some fish in it, and the fish them I live. So I just go and deal with what I deal with. You understand? Don't get it twisted and feel as if, say, boom, it's all about the money. If it was all about the money, trust me, when I depend on YouTube, I talk about fish keeping and fish care and all them something there. I do it because I love it. I do it because I like I just like the fish. And in Jamaica, when they say they do fish keeping, it sounds away. Because in Jamaica, this is Jamaican, right? In Jamaica, they refer to as fish as homosexuals. So when me go out and me say me have a fish keeping channel, I have to be clear myself and tell them what my channel is about. There's a lot of explanation. So what I do when those come to Babs, I'm tell them, say, listen, check out my channel. It named Fish Keeping Jamaica. If you don't like it, you don't like it. If you like it, you like it, and I eat that. Right? So boom. As it relates to my channel, my purpose, my direction right now, it's all about education, a few entertainment, yes, but it's all about education and information and my experience in the fish keeping hobby. Now, I do a little breeding at the back of my yard with my fish, and I sell the excess to the local pet shop, right? And right now I'm getting ready to sell some, and when I am exactly, you know, on the point of doing that, I let you know. So don't get it twisted. I feel as if, say, this is my career. My career is in teaching and education. What is yours? Cool.